Here we are, round 2 with the locks. Round 2 with the locks. She will try to open up. Can you get it open? Open it. She's going to show me how she does it. I don't know, she's lubricating it. What are you doing? Open it. Shaggy wants no part of it. He knows she's being naughty. Alright, so the bottom might be an issue. I moved the locks because at one point I had the locks at the top and the bottom of the door, but she still got wedged in between where the door she can I guess we'll see. I'm gonna go to the store because I can't just, I don't know. Yesterday she got loose and she didn't do anything, but she's smart. I don't know what she was in a past life. Maybe a Houdini. Oh my Lord. I'm pretty sure I heard a lot going on, but it doesn't look like she's winning, so maybe I can leave and we'll see.